Welcome to ExcelBerry. In this video, I will show you how you do an index match function in Excel. And you want to do an index match function when you want to get a value from a matrix. That means that you want to match on both the rows and the columns in order to get the value that's inside the matrix here. And I'll show you how you do this index match function. Here we have our values, and let's say we pick a berry here. Let's pick blueberry, and a month. Let's pick February. So blueberry, February 32. 32 is the value you want to get here. And the index match function is to be used when you want to find a value in a matrix. What you do is that you start with an index function and then you nest match functions inside the index function. And I'll show you soon what I mean with this. What the index function does is that it returns a value in a matrix where your input is which row and which column. Let's say we put here our index function and our matrix will be our data here, and blueberry were the second row number, so let's say second, and February were also the second column. Let's end the index function and you'll see that we will get the value 32. And what we want to do now is to change these two numbers to a relative number that depends on which berry and which month we have. And that brings us to the match function. And the match function returns the relative position of an item. That means that if you search for blueberry here, the second position is blueberry. So the match function will return number 2. So let's say we change this 2 here to a match function, and our lookup value is the blueberry. The lookup array will be our berries here, and then we have match mode, and almost always, I'd say always, you write 0 here for an exact match, and then we close the match function. And we do the same here with the column number. So a match function, and our lookup value this time is the month, and our lookup array are the headings up here, and here we write 0 again, and then we close the match function. So here we have an index match where we nest two match functions to get the relative position of both the rows and the columns, and we press enter and we'll get the value 32. Let's change the month here to March, and we'll see that it's now March and blueberry. And that's how you apply the index match function to get a value inside a matrix. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Please like if you learned something, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn even more, and consider going my Excel online course on excelberry.com. Thank you.